Topic 3 is a study of 6 different nonmetals: hydrogen, chlorine, iodine, and 3 from the noble gases: helium, neon, and argon. Just a quick introduction to all 3. Hydrogen comes from water. Chlorine and iodine are obtained from seawater. And finally, helium, neon, and argon were obtained from the air. This video shows how hydrogen and oxygen are collected from water. Although hydrogen is an excellent fuel, on a large scale it's very expensive to produce. It's also difficult to store an explosive gas safely. Remember the pop test. 2 tests to remember are that oxygen helps combustion, so relights a glowing splint, while hydrogen explodes with a pop when a lighted splint is used. Hydrogen is a fantastic fuel because when it burns with oxygen, you only get water and lots of heat energy. That means there's no carbon dioxide going into the atmosphere. The last thing you have to remember about hydrogen is the equation for the reaction. So we have hydrogen, H2, plus oxygen, making water. This equation isn't balanced yet. You need to have 2 hydrogen molecules, 1 oxygen molecule to make 2 water molecules. Try and remember this equation and the word equation if you can. Chlorine and iodine are both group 7 halogens. They're nonmetals, and so this one, chlorine, is a gas. Iodine looks fairly solid, but when heated gently it turns into a purple vapor. So nonmetals, like halogens, have a very low boiling point. All the halogens are poisonous. Chlorine is very poisonous. It is used to kill germs in water, but please don't say it cleans water. That's not true. It sterilizes water and kills the germs. Iodine is also toxic, but is quite safe to use in comparison to chlorine. Iodine is used by surgeons and by nurses to clean up wounds and can be used in the open lab. Chlorine is very, very poisonous. Both of these materials can be obtained from seawater by electrolysis. Iodine is quite rich in seaweed, and lava bread is a good source of iodine. These days, iodine is obtained more from iodine compound in rocks. Helium, neon, and argon are part of group 0, the noble gases. They're unreactive, but do have some very specific uses, shown by the pictures. Helium is used in balloons, but mainly in weather balloons. You attach recording equipment to the balloon, send it into the atmosphere to take data readings. Neon is well known for neon lights. These glass tubes are filled with neon gas, which get excited by electrical current. The different colours are given by the coatings on the glass. Finally, argon has a couple of uses. Its main use used to be to fill electric light bulbs, so the middle part, which got very hot, didn't burn out. More often these days, argon is used to keep the air away from a weld that's taking place, so that 2 metals fuse together very strongly. The last section for the nonmetals is the fluoride debate. being aware that sodium fluoride is added to water to help prevent this happening to your teeth. To answer this question well, you need to rehearse the for and against arguments for fluoridation. It does prevent tooth decay, but the evidence is a bit mixed. Against, well, we can see that there are some side effects, and people are concerned that they're being forced to take a medicine that's put into water without their consent. So in summary, learn the for and against arguments of fluoridation of water.